This video will go over the performance metrics reports in FUDSChem. These reports track the amount of time each step in a project has taken versus the expected turnaround time. They are useful for pinpointing which party needs additional support to meet turnaround times in the event that data is not getting to the core in a timely manner. Note that for these reports to run, the event management information must be filled out. We go over how to enter information into event management in our event management tutorial. This video is linked in the description. The Performance Metrics Detail Report is accessed by navigating to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Performance Metrics Detail, or by clicking on the Metrics Detail link on the dashboard. It allows the user to choose multiple projects, events, and laboratories. Once parameters are set, click View Report. The report shows the amount of days it took to submit field data, to submit laboratory data, to finalize validation, and to approve the data. Processes that exceeded turnaround time are colored in red. The footnote explains how days are calculated. The expected turnaround time can be edited in the Field Tracking tab of the Event Management tool. The Performance Metrics Roll-Up Report is accessed by navigating to Reports, Event Tracking Reports, Performance Metrics Roll-Up, or by clicking on the Metrics Roll-Up link on the dashboard. It allows the user to specify dates, and only project and events with data from that time frame will be shown. The dates default to 1 year ago and today's date, but can be updated manually. In this case, our data is older than 1 year ago, so we will change the date to January 1st, 2017, to make sure everything is included. We can then select any projects, phases, events, contractors, and laboratories, and click View Report. The report shows the minimum, maximum, and average turnaround times, compared to the expected turnaround times for each project. If there are multiple values for the expected field, the report displays the lowest of the available values for the high-level summary. Clicking the plus button in the contractor column allows the user to see a summary for each event in the project. Selecting false for the rolled up radio button before running the report will automatically expand all selections. Processes that exceeded turnaround time are colored in red. The footnote explains how days are calculated. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.